ice cream cone hairstyle or boho style feathers? Creative extensions or brightly dyed hair? Choose which hairstyle you like the most. Watch the beauty battle of creative hairdos and hair hacks in our new video. Rosie is busy working. Her hair salon is extremely popular. The clients are waiting their turn to get a hairdo from the best hairstylist. Finally, it's Dolly's turn. She wants to try out something new and extraordinary. Our hairstylist Rosie knows how to amaze her picky client. Let's go for a boho hairstyle with some colorful feathers. Hot glue a decorative feather to a piece of twine. Make a few pieces of different colors. Attach feathers to both ends of a long piece of twine. Tie the short pieces to it. 3 feathers at one side. Cut off the excess. Rosie ties the feather accessory to Dolly's hair. The twine is on her forehead under her bangs, so you can't see it at all. Rosie makes a little braid and attaches a white hair extension. But Stephanie thinks that this hairstyle is boring and ordinary. Suddenly, a fairy shows up in the salon. She puts a spell on the girls and swaps the plain white hair extension out for a leopard one. Attach white hair extensions to embroidery hoops. Draw a leopard pattern with markers. Take them off. Oh, this is way better! Stephanie loves her new hair now, and Rosie can't figure out what just happened. Now, Stephanie wants a similar hair extension on the other side. Oops, that's a problem. Poor Rosie has no clue how to do it. Where is she supposed to get bright hair extensions so fast? Her client can't wait long. Oh, sweet goddess of beauty and hairstyles, please help me. And she did. What a miracle! Rosie has no idea where these extensions came from, but she can't act like this in front of a client. She pretends that nothing happened and completes the hairdo. Put a white hair extension on cardboard. Place a cardboard circle stencil onto it and shade it with a yellow permanent marker following the direction of the hairs. Draw an emoji face with black and red. Make a few different emojis in a row. Stephanie is happy. It's just what she wanted. This is stylish, trendy, and creative. And here comes Fairy. She decides to compete with Rosie. Who's a better hairstylist? Experienced, skilled, and persistent Rosie, or Fairy with her magic skills, natural sense of style, and extraordinary way of thinking? Who will win this battle of hairstyles? Rosie and Fairy are ready to fight for beauty. And here are the first victims. Clients. Dolly and Stephanie came to visit. The competitors get down to business. No one wants to give in. Rosie keeps peeking at what Fairy is doing. I can't let her win. Rosie wraps up the hair and fastens it with a bobby pin. And Fairy ties Stephanie's hair into a low ponytail and makes a bun. Fairy adds phases of the moon hairpins to Stephanie's hair. Mix gray and white polymer clay. Make it look like the surface of the moon. Roll the clay out on foil. Cut out circles with a cap. Shape moon phases with a modeling tool. Press in hairpins. Bake following the package instructions. Stephanie loves her moon hairstyle. Rosie has a response to Fairy's moon hairdo. A silver star comb will be her hairstyle statement piece. Cut wire into a few 4-inch pieces. Attach them to a comb. Twist them to fasten. Color decorative stars with silver spray paint. Hot glue the stars to the wire base. This silver comb with mysterious stars looks great! It seems that Rosie astonished not only her client, but also Fairy and Stephanie. No doubt that Rosie's silver comb wins in this round, and she takes the lead. 1-0. Rosie decides to swap models so that the competitors will be on equal footing. Now she does Stephanie's hair. She starts right away. She should show us what she's made of, and Fairy takes a coffee break. Rosie is working her fingers to the bone. She makes a high ponytail. Adds some hairspray and wraps up a bun. Rosie puts a cardboard ring onto the bun, and it's time for dyeing now. The hairstylist applies coloring spray to the bun. The hair becomes bright pink. Rosie attaches a yellow foam paper cone to the bun and takes the cardboard ring off. Now Stephanie's hair is an ice cream cone. Dolly enviously looks at her friend's hairstyle. She has a boring ponytail. But Fairy is a magician for a good reason. 1 minute and airy ice cream appears on Dolly's head. Fold a strip of tulle a few times. Cut it into squares. Gather them in the middle and tie a ribbon around it. Fan out the layers to get a pom-pom. Attach small colorful pom-poms to the tulle. Draw squares on a beige foam sheet. Wrap up a waffle cone. Hot glue to fasten. Cut off the excess. Hot glue the cone to a headband. Attach the tulle pom-pom as an ice cream scoop. Dolly is happy. She likes this hairstyle a lot. Rosie and Stephanie also can't take their eyes off this magical hairdo. Fairy wins in this round despite all of Rosie's efforts. 1-1. The satisfied clients with ice cream cones on their heads leave the salon. Fairy and Rosie are left alone. Well, let's practice on each other. Rosie is the first to be a model, and Fairy will show off her talents. Separate and tie the top part of the hair. Braid the bottom part. Make 5 French braids. Release the top part of the hair. Tie all the hair into a low ponytail. And now the most important part of this hairstyle. Let's decorate it with chains. Join a few pieces of chain together with a jump ring. Attach the rings to the base of the braids. Cover the fastening with hair and wrap one piece of chain around. It's Rosie's turn now to show us what she's got. Rosie is a coloring professional, so she uses a coloring spray for her last hairstyle of the battle. Fairy, are you ready to take a risk? Rosie colors Fairy's hair with 2 shades. She uses a rich pink color for the top and mint for the bottom. Hold on, we're not done yet. Rosie attaches felt watermelon seeds to the hair. Now the watermelon hairstyle is all done. Both stylists are satisfied. What do you think? Who won this battle? Whose hairstyle did you like the most? And which one would you do yourself? In case you decide to color your hair, be careful while picking out a hairspray. It may last for a few washes. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new hair hacks on Troom.